how to turn off watch notification dot on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off watch notification dot on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and now go down until you find this one, settings, and then settings, and then click shortcuts, and now click notification dots. And as you see now, all you need to do is just click here, and now watch notification dot has been turned off. And that's how to turn off watch notification dot on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.